With this. Oh, there's 2 tanks there, Charlie. There's one more behind you. It's still following you.
I know.
Oh, I think your Commissar is dead, Charlie. Everyone's told me the world is gonna roll me.
Wanna see
I
something
ain't the
zesty?
sharpest. Yeah. Charlie, hard left, hard left. There's a tank up on the ridge right behind you. I don't know whether to be scared, sad, or in awe. Did you kill that tank too?
No, I'm working on it. It's the memes, man.
Party rockers in the house tonight. Everybody just bro, this song is a big throwback. Tokyo Drift this bitch. Charlie, you're missing a
I know.
Alright, I'm gonna play the first one.